What's up, everyone? This is Paradise Chevrolet in Ventura. Today, we're taking a look at a new 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Crew LTZ four-wheel drive. This car comes in a black exterior with a black interior and equipped with a DuraMax 3.0-liter turbo diesel 6-cylinder engine and a 10-speed automatic transmission. This car is equipped with tons of great features such as a 13.4-inch color touch display, USB ports, keyless entry and push to start, dual zone climate controls, 120-volt power outlet, auto locking rear differentials, rear 60/40 folding bench seat, Bluetooth connectivity, and more. If you like what you see, call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Paradise Chevrolet in Ventura, and you just previewed a new 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Crew LTZ four-wheel drive.